Hey guys, this is Ricky and check out my slow ultra stick on the HobbyZone floats. I ordered the set from Horizon, was unable to use the wire mounts that were provided because they weren't tall enough. So I had to design and 3D print a mount for the rear. It took me several iterations to get the angle just right, and it uses the same 4mm square carbon tubes as the front landing gear. It attaches to the fuselage using a couple of zip ties. The only modifications I had to do to the floats were to drill out the holes so the 3mm landing gear axle would fit easily. All you have to do is remove the wheels and insert the axle and tighten the retaining screw. The mounting setup is super strong and lightweight and can be installed or removed in only a couple minutes. Check out the Maiden from this afternoon.
Flaperons on. Flight log 11.8 volts. Minutes. .8 volts.
Thanks for watching.